Please make sure that you are watching and listening and writing down what I am writing down so that you practice getting all of your points. A bag contains 4 red, 7 green, 10 black, 2 blue, and 7 white marbles. If you would like to at this time, you could actually draw that out. And since I have colors, I can actually do that. But basically, what you want to know is the total. Because when we do probability, we're going to be looking at the part that's being asked over the total, which is again similar to when we did percents. And we had our proportions. We had our part that we were talking about and our total. So you do need to find the total: 4, 7, 10, 2, and 7 again. So you can scroll down and you can type that in to find out your total. I'm going to give you a moment to do that. Pause the video if you need more time. Make sure that yours matches mine. If we have answers as fractions, we're going to use the slash for the fraction bar, and we need to make sure that our answers are simplified. The first question is, what is the probability of drawing a green? So that's going to be green over total. The part that's green over the total. Now we are drawing 1 marble, but how many greens could we possibly get? And if we go back up here, it says that there are 7 greens, so 7 is going to go on the top. The total number that we just found was 30, so 30 goes on the bottom. If you're typing that in on your Desmos, you can type in 7 over 30 and see if it simplifies by hitting the circle in that blue margin, and we still got 7 over 30, which means it will not simplify. So our answer is 7/30. No spaces whenever you're putting in your answers. The next question says, what is the probability when you reach in to get 1 marble that you draw out a red or a blue? So this time we're given 2 colors, but it's 1 draw. One time you're reaching in the bag, so that's 1 fraction. So on the top, the part that we're looking for is either red or blue. So we have 4 reds and 2 blues. So what is the total possibility of things that I would be happy with getting? A red or a blue? That's going to be 6. So 6 pieces in that bag would fit red or blue. And then the bottom again is total, and that total is going to be 30. Now those are both even, so they will simplify. If you would like to do that on Desmos to see if you can beat me as I'm talking, I'm going to do this one by hand. I notice that they're both even, so I'm going to divide it by 2, so I get 3 over 15. I notice that both of those are multiples of 3, so I'm going to divide by 3. And I get 1 over 5. Now, if you saw a faster way to do that, there actually is a faster way. Both of these beginning numbers are divisible by 6. So if you saw that at the beginning, that will jump you all the way to the end if you just divide by 6. But what I found as I was doing this with students is a lot of them saw the even before they saw that they could divide by that 6. So your final answer is 1/5. Remember that we don't use spaces, and we're going to use that slash as our fraction bar, so we have 1/5. Please make sure that you have both of those answers typed in those boxes before you move